Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to test the inlet thermostat on an electric GE dryer that doesn't heat. The inlet thermostat is a safety device that monitors the air temperature inside the dryer drum to prevent overheating. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we'll need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. To get to the inlet thermostat, we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the top of the front panel, just behind the door. Now we're going to lift the top panel up just a bit so we can clear the console legs and pull it forward. We're going to remove the Phillips screws that are found at each back corner of the front panel. Once we've done that, we can lift the front panel up, rotate it to the side, and disconnect the door switch wires. Then we can set the front panel to the side. With that moved out of the way, we're going to reach under our drum, and we're going to disconnect the belt from the belt pulley. Once that is disconnected, we're going to go ahead and lift up on the belt and use it to assist in pulling the drum forward and out. Now we can set that to the side as well. The inlet thermostat is next to the safety thermostat, second from the left, and we're also going to test this for continuity.
First, remove the leftmost wire and the outer center wire. Then place 1 probe on each.
If you don't get continuity here, then the inlet thermostat has failed and will need to be replaced. If there is continuity, that means the thermostat is good and something else preventing the dryer from heating. To put the dryer back together, let's double check to make sure the wires are all attached. When that's all set, we're going to install the drum and belt.
This can be a little difficult, so make sure to get the belt firmly on the motor pulley.
Then grab the front panel. We're going to connect the door switch wires and then set the front panel onto the dryer. We need to secure it with the screws we removed earlier. Now we're going to slide the top panel on the console legs, rotate the top panel down, and then secure it with the long Phillips screws we removed from behind the door. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. If your inlet thermostat checks out okay, then you can explore our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be preventing your dryer from heating. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose and fix your appliances. And if your inlet thermostat is faulty, you can easily find and order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can install it yourself. Don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today.